books and playing games when there's sunny weather.
La 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 la.
If there's rain, they're singing songs or reading books together.
La 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 la.
Every day just has a way of feeling extra lucky.
La 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 la.
When you spend it with a friend, just like Bjorn and Bucky. Just like Bjorn and Bucky.
All grown up.
Yeah!
I'd like to try. Hey, come on, give me a turn. It's Franny's turn now, all right?
We can't, Franny. Only grown-ups are allowed. Yeah, it isn't safe. You're just too little.
Well, I'm not really a little kid at all. The truth is that I'm big.
Nice going. Weren't you listening? This is just for grown-ups.
Yeah? Well, I'm a grown-up.
Oh, is that right? We'll just see about that. And now, presenting my new Adultrationizer-matic, the grown-up tester. Stand right here, Franny. Yep. All right. The second you're as big as this other lineup here, that's when you'll be a grown-up for real. But Franny, until you're that big, you'll just have to do as we say. Because grown-ups know everything. Like, you should eat your vegetables and no stunt riding. Play dollies instead.
Listen to the grown-ups, huh? I think I have an idea. When the doors have all got giant locks, when they try to keep you in a box, build yourself some wooden blocks. Oh, you can't outfox a fox! Hey, let me have a turn, guys.
Franny, we talked about this. You're just too little.
But am I? I've grown up quite a bit.
Gosh, they just grow up so fast.
And since I'm officially a grown-up, I can do whatever I want. I feel so mature!
Look at her go. She can have the half pipe. 'Cause Bjorn, I've got the ultimate grown-up plan. Look, here's the bend in the river. It's the perfect spot to build our jump. We'll start at the top of a crazy tall slide and then kerplunge.
Then what? You crash into the water?
We don't crash. We kerplunge with studly grace.
Just listen up. As a real official grown-up, I forbid this. It's just too dangerous.
What makes you think that you're the boss of us? We're just as tall as you
Yeah?
are.
All right, boys. Excuse me a minute. I'll be right back. When you're faced with a silly, stubborn guy, and you know that you can't see eye to eye, make your blocks a bit more high. Foxes are sly. Golly, it looks like I'm more grown up than you guys.
Bucky, what's going on? I honestly don't know.
That's quite enough chatting. It's nap time. Time for snoozies. Close your little eyes and go to sleep. Shouldn't be running. Shouldn't you be getting stuff done?
Yeah.
Boys, it's homework time. No sweets. You'll ruin your lunch. These soft drinks are bad for your teeth. Hey, it's not time for soccer. Climbing's too dangerous. You must always listen to your elders and tallers.
Bjorn, am I the only one that's getting tired of listening to our elders? Oh yeah, I'm right there with you. But I have an idea.
La 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 la. Gosh, being a grown-up is just wonderful. Right, Ari? You betcha, Franny.
Franny, hey there. Shouldn't you put all your dolls away?
Why? I love them.
But you're all grown. And Franny, grown-ups never play with dollies.
Golly.
Would you like a piece of candy or two?
Yeah, of course I would.
Nah, I was talking to Bucky. You can't have it, right? Grown-ups don't eat candy.
That's not fair.
That's right. Franny, hey, let me ask you something. A light bulb in my house needs to be replaced, but it's just so scary and dark. Change it, please.
I can't. I'm really scared of the dark.
That doesn't make sense, because you are a grown-up, right?
No, I'm really tired of being a grown-up. Look at this! I'm suddenly little again! Now it's your turn to be grown-ups. You can change your own bulb in the scary dark, and I'll take my doll back, and the candy.
Well, all right, we're on. Let's go build our dangerous river jump.
Can I come with you guys?
Are you gonna try and talk some sense into us?
Absolutely not!
Well then, come on. Postman Chicky. The Swiss Army Remind-O-Matic is gonna change the world. A little bit, and twist, and that, and this. I just need to go and borrow Bjorn's boomerang. Ha ha! Genius coming through! Hi, Buddy Bear! What are you making, a scarecrow or something? I really need your boomerang.
Not a scarecrow, Bucky. It's a fox with a butterfly net.
Nope, don't see it.
Here, Bucky.
Thanks a lot. Good luck with your project.
Oh, hornets! I'm all out of paint. I'll go borrow some from Bucky. Hey, Franny! Hey there, Bucky. Do you think I could borrow some paint from you? Thanks a lot. Do you need me to bring something from my place when I return this?
Thanks, but I pretty much have got everything. Dude, can I borrow some ice?
Got any glue I can have?
Your gong?
Back fur clipper?
Pig mask?
Goggles?
Shovel?
Garden hose?
One of these?
Some of those.
The list just grows and grows. What'll I need next? No one knows. Whoa! I brought your watering can back. Running back and forth like this really has worn me out.
You're right. Tell me about it. I wish we had our own postal route.
Bjorn, you're a genius. And our private postal worker could be, Chicky. There, Chicky. Deliver this package to Bjorn, all right?
Look at that. Bucky, this could actually work out.
Or it could totally fail. Unless we put Chicky through Postbird Boot Camp. It's time to make the best out of the worst. We'll train that bird from beak to wing to leg. And maybe we'll know which came first, the mailman or the egg.
Awesome, Chicky. Great job.
You're officially a postbird, and we're incredibly proud. All right, Chicky, deliver this package to Bjorn, please.
Oh, Chicky, hey! Come with me to catch butterflies. Come back.
Whoa.
Neither snow, nor rain, nor quicksand, nor space monkeys, nor selfish little bears will stay this small chicken from the swift completion of his silly rounds. Goodness! Poor little thing. The guys are running you ragged. It's unacceptable. But Chicky, you know what? It's time for you and me to turn the tables on them.
Franny? What's up? What's wrong with him?
Isn't it obvious, guys? Chicky's sick as a dog.
Just wonderful. Who's gonna deliver our stuff?
Forget your silly stuff. Help Chicky. Right, we need some hot water, some tea and some mint, lemon, and hot broth.
Yeah, we'll help. Sure. Chicky, please bring us some tea, lemon.
No. Just listen here. Get out there and bring back everything Chicky needs and do it double time.
Yes, Franny, right away, Franny.
Ha! It worked, Chicky. Those boys will learn exactly what it feels like to be an overworked, tired post chicken. Bring a hot water bottle. We need more tea. And pillows, please. No, more than that. Blanket, extra bubble bath, gingerbread bed, a book about butterflies.
Bucky, I'm about about to fall over. Do you think you could teach your Remind-O-Matic to haul this stuff for us?
What is taking so long? High score. Nice move. You guys better hurry up.
Rose-colored glasses. Hi, Bucky. Come out and play with us.
We can make bouquets out of all the colorful leaves.
Yeah, and float paper boats in all the puddles.
No thanks. It's wet and nasty out there and cold. Ugh, gross.
Bucky, quit moping and come with us.
Moping? I don't know that word. Is it something dangerous?
Moping is acting sad and not even wanting to do anything fun. Bucky, enough sadness. Just come outside.
I don't want to go. I've never understood bears who love the autumn. Ugh. The cold and mud and rain. Nasty. I prefer the river, sunshine, plants in bloom, rosy perfect sunrises. Whoa, idea! Rain, cold, mud, 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 cold, cold rain. As seasons go, the autumn's just a pain. But I won't mope and complain. Instead, I'll use my brain. Great idea becomes a great design. Gosh, I love this amazing brain of mine. Now the sun will always shine, and I'll start feeling fine. Ah. Thanks, big brain. You got the sun to shine, and now I'm feeling.
Bjorn, look! What a beautiful leaf this is.
Guys, Bucky has arrived.
Whoa, Bucky. What are you wearing on your face?
Yeah, nice, huh? They're my special glasses. I look at stuff through them, and all's as it should be. Here, have a look through them.
Bucky, it's pretty, but it's not real.
It's not real? Well, it's real enough for this bear. I'm going for a walk in the awesome sunshine. That's new. Just amazing. Oh, wow. Yeah. Whoa. Just look at all the pretty colors. Pretty. Ah.
Bjorn, what's going on here?
Everything looks different through those rose-colored glasses of his.
Yeah! Oh, yeah.
Bucky, hold it! You'll get filthy. It's really muddy right there.
It isn't muddy in my butterfly ship. Oh, the shining sea. I adore the ocean life.
Bucky, don't you think you should go home? It's cold out here.
Are you kidding? It's a warm and wonderful life.
Bucky, you're not in the ocean. You're in a mud puddle.
Come on, guys. You're just moping. It's depressing.
Bucky, just stop this and take those glasses off.
Bucky, you're acting like a crazy bear.
What is going on? I'm cold all of a sudden. Ah! A puddle! Well, why are you standing there watching? Get me out of this muddy yuck bath. So I guess wearing rose-colored glasses is dangerous. Turns out it's much smarter to look at stuff like it is.
Pretty soon, winter will arrive, and then we'll have skiing and sledding and snowball fights.
Bjorny, that's so right. Winter is the coolest. Look at that, it's snowing. Booyah! Let's catch snowflakes on our tongues. Autumn's not so bad. It's just the path to awesome winter.
Ooh, it's so cold. I love the snow. Winter